Hi guys, in this video I will be doing a slick back, a V-part slick back on my natural hair using only a mousse. So if you're interested in seeing those results, definitely keep on watching. Now the parts have been created. As you're seeing, I have one section in the top, I have two on either side, and in the back I have two sections. And the mousse that I will be using to help keep my hair flat is the Doux Mousse Def. You may have seen this product on my channel a few times. However, if this is your first time, first of all, welcome. And I hope you enjoy this video with me using the Mousse Def. I want to see how well it holds down my hair, because it definitely has a strong or medium hold when it comes to my twist outs or my wash and go. So I'm really excited to see how this will work on my hair. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I'll be starting off in the back. I already have leave-in conditioner in my hair because I don't want the mousse to be too drying for my hair, but at the same time I didn't really put that much leave-in, so it shouldn't necessarily clash with the components of the mousse. Here is the section. You would have probably seen the video of me dyeing my hair at home. However, if you haven't, without bleach, mind you, however, if you haven't seen that, definitely click the link that is in the description box or the video that will be in the cards so that you can check it out. I will be spraying my hair with water. Am I trying to make it as wet as possible? Yes, I am, because I want the mousse to go on without a problem. Just doing a light finger detangle as well. So that when the mousse goes on, I don't have to do too much detangling either. Alrighty, so I'm finished detangling. I didn't have to do that much to begin with because my hair had been detangled in the shower. So I'm going to take my mousse. I'm going to use a lot because I really want the hair to be flat, or as flat as possible. So I am going to start off with 4 or 5 pumps. This is 5 pumps here. What I like about this mousse is the fact that it is potent. So that is starting off, as you're seeing, that is starting off with just 5 pumps. Just going to rake it through the hair so that it can be distributed. Then I will take another 5 or so pumps, and if I need more, I will go for more. 5 extra pumps. Same section. Yes, it's a lot of product, but the same way we use a lot of gel for our slit backs, we may need to use a lot of foam for the slick back, but the only thing is that this will not take that long to dry. So this is how the hair is. I will leave it as that. I'm going to take my tangle teaser brush and just flatten it. Not detangling. What I'm doing is literally just going over the surface and flattening it a little bit. So I am then going to take my scrunchie and first section done. That is what I will do for the rest of this hair. There will be a montage, and yes, you will see the finished results, and we will see if this keeps my hair down or not. So stay tuned for that. Hasn't been completely finished. I had about half a bottle left and there's still a little left in here, but my hair is completed, and as you're seeing, she is flat. But what I'm going to do is just put a little more mousse, just for my sake. I'm going to put a little more mousse on the part where I have shorter strands of hair. Let me show you the side-to-side view before I put on the scarf. So as I said, I'm going to put the scarf on, then just hover my blow dryer over it just so that it can set in place. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but I'm doing it because I don't have the time to sit around and wait until the foam completely dries. So as I said, I will hover the blow dryer over my hair, then I will come back with the dried results. So let's see what happens. Y'all, your girl is sold. Your girl is sold on using foams for slit backs. Do you see how slick this is? Do you see how flat this is? Do you see how flat it is? Yes. As the young people say, the tea has been clocked. Yup. I'm sold. I'm actually quite sold. I don't think you'll see another gel on this channel. I really don't think so. I may eat my words later, but as of right now, I don't think that I will use another gel, because my main thing was I'm going to use gel for slick backs. But are you seeing these results with just a mousse? And the mousse isn't fully dry yet because there are layers and layers. I am sold. I don't know how my hair is going to feel as the week progresses, because obviously my hair will dry out. As with any product, your gel, your mousse, anything like that, it will dry out your hair. I'm not talking about curling creams, I'm not talking about twisting butters, I'm not talking about any of those things. But mousses are known to be drying because of the alcohol content, some higher than others, but yes. So mousses, gels for sure, especially those wet line gels, the Eco Styler gels, any other type of gel is going to dry out your hair. So I am actually eager to see how my hair will behave as the week progresses. I will not be filming that, but definitely look out for the end portion of this video, which should be coming about now. But other than that, guys, I am absolutely 100% sold on using foams or mousses for your slick backs. Just make sure that it has a good hold, and I know for sure my mousse that has my back. In terms of hold, it has my back. So with that being said, I thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in to see the end results. If you liked this video, definitely leave a like and subscribe for more natural hair content, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.